ay hindi mababayad.
Well, we based on the contract, based on the agreement we signed. And basically, ang isi-share lang naman namin would be the names, the title, and the pictures. Kasi they have enough facial recognition system, no, to know kung government officials.
Sir, gaano karaming names ang malalagay sa data?
Well, for the Department of Justice main, we have a little less than 6,000. But for the other agencies, I would guess at least 50,000 yan. Malaki yung malaki. With the 10 attached agencies, no, we're quite a big department.
Sir, kung magtago ng identity, thumbmark ba hindi ba pinag-iisipan, sir? Kung ibang pangalan ang gamitin?
Pag yung facial recognition will catch you. With the current technology that we have, no? With Pacor has, yeah. And meron din silang agreement with yung license operators, yung licenses nila. So with that technology, maka-capture yun. So yung pagpalit, di ba, may mga recent experiences tayo, nagpalit ng mga pangalan, di ba? So maka-capture yun. Maka-capture yun.
Employees.
Yeah, it's not really a warning, but it's a message. It's a message for all of us to toe the line, di ba? We are here as public servants. We need not only to do good, to act as role models, di ba? We follow the rule of law. Diba? Bawal sa ang taong gobyerno sa casino, tuparin natin ito. At para lalong mapagtibay ang pagtitiwala ng ating mga kababayan.